Yes. This is our road trip from Hong Kong to Macau. So this is called the Zhuhai Macau Bridge. So this is connecting from Hong Kong to Macau. And how many hours? I think this is like 1 hour from Hong Kong to Macau. So let's go enjoy the view. Road trip from Hong Kong to Macau.
Under the sea, you know, under the sea become fish. First time going under the sea. Oh my god. Become big fish. No, I'm recording when because that it's too long. I cannot. Again, wow. Look at the view. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. But we become fish.
香港版係窄啲、細啲嘅，大陸嗰陣時你知唔知咧？爹哋嗰架車咧，喺大陸版同一個 model 咧係闊啲嘅，因為點解啊？嗰陣時咧叫佢個 model 去買到座位嗰啲地氈啊嗰啲嘢咧，翻到嚟咧係大咗好多。即係同一個 model。
This your first time? First time? The bus.
係啊，
The bus.
你好快已經個當同個當玻璃啊，個當玻璃。
So we are going to the undersea tunnel. So we are heading now. This is called the underwater road. So bali nandito na po kami ngayon sa ilalim ng dagat mga lalabs at ito po yung ito po yung makikita mo dito. Grabe. Very amazing talaga ang pagkagawa nitong bridge na to mga lalab. Kasi imagine mo buong dagat at tinakpan nila para lang makabuo sila ng bridge.
人请有序带齐所有行李及个人物品下车过關。感謝乘坐港珠澳大橋穿梭巴士。各位乘客，本班車即將到達目的地，為你安全着想，車未停定時，禁止離開座位。離開車廂前請有序提取所有行李及個人物品落車過關。多謝乘坐港珠澳大橋穿梭巴士。Dear passengers, our bus is about to reach its destination. For your safety, please remain seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. Before disembarking, make sure to take all your luggage and personal belongings with you. Thank you for traveling with the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge Shuttle Bus.